angel food cake for the heavens, light cake. Everybody loves that. And it's very simple to make. So let's first sift the dry ingredients. The dry ingredients, a little flour and powdered sugar. Let's sift that together. It is always good to sift the dry ingredients together before you bake. This way it kind of aerates them, but especially for an angel food cake, you know, the very light and fine texture. Okay, so this is done. Let's put this on the side. And now we'll make the kind of wet batter, if you will, egg whites. It's made only of egg whites and a little cream of tartar. Pinch of salt. The sugar slowly. A little bit of the vanilla. And the lemon rind. And slowly add the dry ingredients and fold them in. Okay, so it's important that it's all homogenized, but it's not overworked. So I think we're there. A nice mold, a specific angel cake mold, just like that. No butter, nothing, just as is. And it is a little sticky, you know, after all that egg whites and sugar and all of that good stuff in there. It will rise and just fill all the nooks and crannies, and you put it in a 350-degree hot oven, about 45 minutes. It will grow and fill in all of those corners, and it'll be nice and dry in the sense of a cake, but very moist at the same time. The angel food cake is baked, is cooled, and it's time to open it up, unveil it. Now, you remember I told you we're not putting any butter or lining or flour, so it does stick a little bit, so help yourself. Work around. Also, the center here. Let's see now. It is coming out very nicely. Okay. It's a beautiful cake, light, and you can dress it up with anything. Let's put just a little bit of powdered sugar to begin with. Then we can transport it to the plate, just like that. Okay. And the lightness of the cake just goes so well with the berries. You know, it's as a presentation, just fill it up with berries on top, all around. And then, of course, I always leave a little bit of cut up berries and clean berries on the side. So as people are taking a portion, or as you're giving them a portion, they can take additional berries. Ah la la. some nice mint, flowers. It's a beautiful presentation. And with it, what goes very well is, certainly, I like a room temperature zabaglione served next to it, plenty of berries next to it, a serrated knife so that when they cut it, it doesn't kind of squish in. Serrated, stays nice and light. Cibo degli angeli.